Do you want to know how I made that? Now let's begin. Let's begin by selecting a frame. Now use guides to define the center of the frame. Place the pen tool icon in the center. Now adjust the size of the icon. Now we will draw ellipse and draw as shown in the video. Place the ellipse at below center of the frame. Now duplicate the ellipse and place it on top of the ellipse one. Now draw a rectangle and place it in the center of ellipse as I have shown in the video. Now select the rectangle and ellipse 2 from the layer panel and click Union. Now we will place the Union layer below the ellipse 1 and we will select the two, right click and use as mask. Make sure to place the icon layer to the top. With the help of lower key, we will hit the icon. And with this, our first frame is ready. Now we will duplicate this layer and work on it. Now with the use of arrow key, we will bring the icon layer back to the front. Now press K button on your keypad and increase its size accordingly. Repeat the same with ellipse, but this time reduce it to 0.01 pixel as shown in the video. Now duplicate the frame and place the icon to the center of the frame. Now again we will press K and adjust its size. You can see the values on your screen. Now we will again duplicate the frame. This will be our fourth frame and we will place the icon to the side so that we can place our logo. Add frame selection to your logo before placing it inside the frame. Press Alt and drag the frame to the left and then click Clip Content. We will again duplicate the frame to have total of 5 frames. On this 5th frame, we will reveal our logo. Before I proceed to the prototype process, I'll make a little amendment on our third frame. Let's drag the union layer a little. And we are done. Now let's prototype it. I will slow down the video so that you can have a clear look on the arrangements and settings that I'm using for my prototype. And we are done. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will come up with more exciting videos. Stay connected.